In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills with Bank of America Bill Pay. Whether you're on a computer or using the mobile app, the process is quick and designed to help you stay on top of your due dates. Start by signing into your Bank of America online banking or opening the mobile banking app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're using the official site or app so your information stays protected. Once you're in, look for the Pay and Transfer tab, then select Pay Bills. This is your central hub for managing payments. You'll see options to set up who you want to pay, schedule when the money goes out, and track what's coming up. Next, add your payees. A payee is any person or company you want to pay, like a utility provider, credit card, or landlord. For major companies, you can usually find them by name, and the system will handle the delivery electronically. For smaller businesses or individuals, you might need details from your bill, such as an account number or payment address. Take a moment to double check spelling and numbers here. Getting this right ensures your payment is applied correctly. Once added, payees are saved, so you won't have to re-enter them next time. After your payees are set, choose who you're paying, enter the amount, and select whether this is a one-time payment or a recurring one. One-time payments are perfect for occasional bills. Recurring payments are ideal for monthly expenses like rent or a car payment, so you can set it and forget it. Pick the payment date carefully. It's a good idea to schedule at least 5 business days before the due date, especially if a paper check needs to be mailed. Electronic payments can be faster, but giving yourself a buffer helps avoid late fees. Before you submit, review the details and make sure your account has enough funds on the scheduled date. If you want an even smoother experience, you can set up e-bills. With e-bills, your statements arrive electronically right inside Bill Pay, and you can choose to have payments scheduled automatically based on the amount due or the due date. This keeps everything in one place and reduces paper clutter. Bill Pay is built with security in mind, and using it can help you avoid late fees by keeping your payments organized and on time. That's all there is to it. Log in, head to Pay Bills, add your payees, schedule your payments, and optionally enable e-bills for added convenience. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.